Hey, brother, welcome to the North Austin Men's Group. When I originally started this group, I was actually looking for a group of guys that I could discuss the book No More Mr. Nice Guy with. I had read this book. It had really opened my eyes to a bunch of things that were going on in my life and my relationship, and I was looking for other men to connect with and be able to talk about the book and just, the complexities of life, especially at the time as a 45, 46-year-old man and who was working all the time, didn't have any friends, didn't have any outside activities, and was kind of facing the implosion of his marriage. And I knew that something had to change, that I didn't want the next 20 years to be like the last 20 years, that, I had tried to do my way to happiness, that I had tried to achieve my way to happiness, that I had tried to, as it says in the book, I had tried to do everything right and not make any mistakes and make everyone else happy and have a problem-free life. And it just wasn't working, right? It just wasn't happening. So that book was a real eye-opener to me. So I started the North Austin group just seeking other men to connect with. And I thought, well, I don't know, let's just see. I'll just put it out there. And if people sign up, then we'll just start having some local meetings and then we'll go from there. Well, I put that out there and immediately guys started signing up. And I had added the little onboarding form that you've seen, which asks, kind of like what issues are you dealing with and what are you hoping to get out of the group and that sort of thing. And just about every guy was saying the same thing, that they were going through some sort of relationship issue, that they were facing separation or divorce, that they had gotten divorced, that they didn't have any friends, that they were new to the area, and they were looking for men to connect with and do things with and to have friends in their life and that sort of thing. And this is just an ongoing issue for men. It's an ongoing issue for adults. And so, as you have noticed, probably the North Austin group, has well over 250 guys in it. And we get together and we do things together. We don't do it all the time. There are times when, the weather gets cold or the holidays get busy and we just don't get together. But we do things like last summer we got together and we discussed No More Mr. Nice Guy. We sat at my dining table and went chapter by chapter through the book each week. We get together and we go hiking. We have barbecues. We go to the gun range. We've driven go-karts together. We just try to get out and eat together and spend time together and get to know each other. And sometimes, some guys can come to every event and then some guys can only come occasionally, and that's okay, right? What we're doing here is we're basically saying, hey, raising our hand and saying that we want to connect, we want to spend time with each other. We want to give ourselves the opportunity to have some men friends in our life. And this isn't a group where we talk about our golf game or the sports scores. It's not that those things are frowned upon. We talk about those things on occasion, but it's not the only thing that we talk about. We're not just talking about our gas mileage and our commute to work and things like that. We're talking about real things, real life stuff. And we're talking about things that are important to us, things that matter. So if that's you, then welcome. I hope to see you soon at a face-to-face event. I also do men's coaching. I'll include a link in the email, the welcome email to you. And I invite you to reach out and schedule a call with me. Let's spend some time getting to know each other and talking about what it is that you're facing right now. What's going on in your life? What would you like to see be different? And what do you think that are the obstacles that are getting in the way of that? And I'll promise to listen and ask questions and be curious and to provide any level of support that you're open to at this time, whether that's just giving you a book to read or pointing you to a video or sharing with you my background and that sort of thing, or even spending some time with each other coaching. That's an option as well. I've also have an online men's group that I meet with every week. We have group calls and small group calls and group discussions inside the community and that sort of thing. So I can tell you all about that and how to get connected to that as well. That way you have a community of men that you can talk with, that you can bounce ideas off of, that you can get a sanity check on, that you can grow and walk with, and actually have men in your life that can walk with you through all these, messy experiences of being an adult. So I just wanted to welcome you to the community, welcome you to the North Austin Men's Group, and to say I look forward to meeting you soon. All right, brother. Reach out if you have any questions at all, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.